Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to do mobile malware analysis with tryhackme. Let us start this. The question you need to join this room. Let us click on join room. Okay. So just click on complete. Introduction would be completed. Okay. So you have started hacking streak. Keep it going for 6 days for a batch. That's fine. So now let us start this. Okay, what was the known first malware created that affected mobile devices? Now you have to search this in Google. You're for getting the answer. The answer will be Cabir. You can Google it. Let us click on submit. That's a correct answer. Okay, what technology does this worm use to multiply? What technology that this worm used to multiply? So Google that. You'll get answer. Bluetooth. Let's click on submit here. That's true. Which operating system did it affect? So this Cabir used Bluetooth to multiply. Which OS it affected a lot? So it is Symbian OS. Okay, click on it. That's the correct answer. What message did it show on screen on an infected mobile phone? So it was infecting mobile phone. What message it showed usually? So you can ask these all questions here. For example, let's say if you want to ask this question, you can directly Google here. See, Cabir was the first answer. It was designed to target Symbian voices. It was designed to spread via Bluetooth. Once the phone was infected by Cabir, the word Caribe would be displayed. Okay, just type the word Cabire. That's the correct answer. The worm was created and sent out by the researchers as a proof of concept. They did not believe the mobile operating system could be exploited. Okay, just click on complete. This will be done. So this was unknown land. Now this has been completed. Okay, let us go to task 3. This is a weird inside machine. Let us start the machine. Now you have to upload and analyze. So these are all the questions which we have to answer. So the machine has now been started. So what is the format of the file? Format of the file is .apk, right? It is .apk. Let us write this answer to submit. That's the correct answer. So decode the name of the sample. Now for this, we have to expand this. So let's click on upload and analyze. So you have to upload this file. Let us click on open. So now it has been 100% uploaded. Let us analyze this APK file. So now we have got the analysis of this. This is .apk file. Now, what was the question here? So decode the name of the sample. So I have to copy this one. So I have to decrypt this, the file name. Go to, so click on CyberChef. So now let us take the input from base 64. So yeah, if you just type this here, it's a malware. Copy this malware. We can put it here. This is complete. Now just you can just copy it here. Click on submit. It will be correct answer. What is the target platform? So it's an APK file. The target platform would be in Android. Okay. If you just type Android, it should work. Okay. Click on submit. That's correct answer. So we have completed this section, small size and a lot of destruction. Now we are digging deeper. So Virus Total is an incredible service. The website can give us a powerful tool. Just click on this. Let me click. So now copy this entire thing. Okay, let it placed. Now let me click on enter. So it is a 43 for the security vendors. Now sandbox are flagged. So just try for Avast. Yes, this is the thing. Just copy this and you can go here and paste it. Click on submit. Yes, my answer is correct here. Okay. So which program was used to create software? So just copy this one and you can go here and type the answer. Click on submit. Yeah, that's the correct answer. So now what is the package name? Just to go here, type the package name. Copy this one. Yeah, you can click on submit it here. It's a correct answer. Okay. What is the SH1 signature? Okay. Go here, SH1. This is the signature what it found in SHA1 encryption. Okay. Now here, try to paste it. Right click. paste, click on submit. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Now, what is the unique XML file? So we should have a unique XML file here. Go down, little down. You can see the Android manifest.xml. You can just copy this manifest.xml. Click on submit. That's correct answer. How many permissions are there inside? Now you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 22 permissions inside. So that's a correct answer. Which permission allows application of pictures with camera? This one. This is a permission which is allowing camera. So yeah, copy this. Copy. Go here and paste it here. Okay. Android permissions got camera. So what is the message left by the community? So go here. You can go to the community. So what is the message left by the community? So this is a message. You can copy it. So you can go here, paste it, click on submit. Complete. So now that's it. We have completed digging deeper. Now we'll go to task 5, mob swing the sample. What is the programming language used to create the program? So you can see download Java code. You can write the Java as the language which is created for this program. You can write Java, click on submit, it's done. How many signatures does the package has? So APK sign, this is only one signature it has, that is V1. So you have to count the signature. So the answer will be 1. Click on submit. Okay. The application signed with V1 signature scheme. What is it vulnerable onto Android 7.0? So now you have to see whether it is vulnerable to Android 7.0. See, application signed with V1 scheme making vulnerable to JNS vulnerability. Okay, you just have to write the what type of vulnerability is JNS vulnerability. Click on submit. So mob SF gives all the code. Decompile just the base of program makes us to understand a little bit of what is happening. Okay. Now this one you have to see. So now just click on complete. The malware is created for the common connection with the victim. It's called reverse shell. What is the app name? Now you have to see the app name. Go to app. So app name is main activity. Copy this. Is the app name. Click on submit. It's the correct answer. It looks like there is a function calling the package manager. So it can be install application. What function is that? You can see you can go inside the payload. So there is a function to get the package manager. So you can copy this. So b.get package manager. Now this one you can get inside the payload.java. Go inside this function. So yeah, paste it here, submit it. Now let us add 1 hour. Let's add 1 hour. So yeah, we can run this. Now the flag Android allows user to backup the USB debugging. It is recommended this to be false even if it is true. What is the severity of this configuration? So Android allow backup. What is severity? So now let me go here. You can close this. Let's see here. Data can be backed up. Allow backup is missing. So this is the severity of a medium. Okay. Now let me go back here. So what is SHA-256 hatch of the file? Should be medium. Let me click on submit. That's the correct answer. Okay. We have completed 5 tasks. Okay. We have 6 and 7. Now, so what is SHS-256 hash of the file? So now we have to move for next sample. That is sample2.apk. Let's start mobsf and analyze it again. So now we have to start this again now. So now, okay. Now let us upload and analyze. Let us analyze sample2. Let me click on open. So now this is the SHA to this value of this sample.apk file. Let me copy this. So let me copy this, Control C, Control V, click on submit. Correct answer. After finding the sample on VirusTotal, what does Avast antivirus engine recognize? Let me click on back. So let me do the enter, click on this. What does Avast antivirus do? So there is a proper 39 out of 70 community score we have. So let me, this is a Pegasus APK file. Avast antivirus. So Avast antivirus. So this is the one it is recognizing. So yeah, copy this. So paste it here, click on submit. Yeah, that's the correct answer. With what we have to try to find out the name of the sample. So if you want to see the details, so that is what it was asking, right? With what we have, try to find the name of the sample. What is the sample here? So we don't have the sample. What is the exact name of the sample here? So go to the details. So it should show you the sample name. Okay. So it is sample 2, sample 3, dvk, pegasus.apk. So it is a Pegasus software. So copy this Pegasus malware. Try to click here. Now let us add this. So click on submit. Yeah, that's correct answer. This seems to be a dangerous malware, has a big history of destruction. This became news for spying journalists. Which year was that? Now, this was an actual discussion happened in few years back. So it's saying in 2017, Google journalists discovered the Android malware believed to be created by an SO group. 2017, click on submit. What is the idea of the meta attack as a sample? Okay, so let's copy this. So Pegasus meta attack. Okay, this is the software. Yes, S0316 was the ID. Click on submit. What is the technique that has an ability to exploit OS vulnerabilities and escalate privileges? So if you go here, what techniques were used? This was very interesting, right? It can take the audio capture, so escalation of privilege escalation. Uh, it attempts to modify device system partition, of course, broadcast intent in order to maintain. So what all the activities is doing? It's very weird, right? Just type an OS vulnerability. Yeah, this is the one technique. Exploitation for privilege escalation. Copy it, paste it here. Click on submit. What is the hint here? Okay, I think we'd have to copy this one. The ID of the technique, not the name of the technique. Let me go here. So let me paste like this. Now click on submit. So yeah, that's the correct answer. Now let's go back to Mobile analysis. Now you can click on complete. Okay, we have to go to this Android permission. You can actually search. Okay, let's say accounts. I'm searching. So yeah, we can get the accounts. Get accounts. So Android permission get accounts, right? That is what they are asking, right? Status is dangerous. Okay, this is a get account is dangerous. So yeah, we can just write it as. So now maybe you can copy this. All right, now. So Power Client is there. Now go back here. So properties of Portugal from Brazil, PTBR. Now search for PTBR. Okay, this is exact client. PT and BR. Copy this. Go here. Submit it. That's the correct answer. Now the software has several features. To click on complete. The malware has special appeal for safety and internal components. It is a risk of compromise. It has cryptographic operation with this feature of random bit generation. How can it be identified? So random bit generation services, this identifier which it takes, copy this, paste it here. Now click on submit. That's it. That's the correct answer. Now we have completed. It doesn't smell good. Okay, let's go for conclusion. Let me click on complete. So now we have finished the entire task. Okay. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.